Ready to dive into the latest Apple beta? Let's break it down before you take the plunge. Alright tech enthusiasts, Apple has unleashed iOS 18.3 beta, along with macOS 15.3, watchOS 11.3, and more. But wait, should you install it now or play it safe and wait for January? Let's find out. First off, some numbers for my fellow nerds. iOS 18.3 and iPadOS 18.3-22, D5034E, macOS Sequoia 15.3-24 D5034, watchOS 11.3-22 S5534D, tvOS 18.3-22 K5534E, visionOS 2.3-22 N5875E. Now on to the juicy stuff. iOS 18.3 brings us Apple Intelligence enhancements, promising a smarter Siri and improved on-device learning. Say goodbye to those awkward Genmoji glitches, finally. For macOS Sequoia 15.3 users, get ready for a smoother experience with performance boosts and new Finder features. watchOS 11.3 more health tracking improvements. Because who doesn't need another reminder to stand up, right? But before you go all in, remember, never install developer betas on your primary device. Always back up your data first. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So, should you install these betas? If you're a developer or love living on the edge, go for it. But if you rely on your devices daily, it might be smarter to chill and wait for the stable release in January. Hit that subscribe button for more updates, and drop a comment if you're excited about these new features. Stay savvy, tech friends.